Have you ever thought about turning your love for baking into a business? Imagine getting paid to do what you enjoy, working from home, and setting your own hours. Sounds perfect, right? But while a home baking business can be rewarding, there's more to it than just making delicious treats. You need to plan, price, and promote your business properly. In this video, I'll take you through the essential steps to start a home baking business successfully, so you can turn your passion into profit. Before you start baking for customers, you need a solid plan. Ask yourself, what do you want to sell? Custom cakes, cookies, sourdough bread, or cupcakes? Who are your customers? Are they busy parents, event planners, or businesses? What are others charging? You don't want to underprice your work. Take time to research what bakers in your area are offering. This will help you find your niche, the thing that makes your business unique. Maybe you specialize in vegan desserts, allergy-friendly bakes, or intricate themed cookies. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to attract customers. Next, let's talk about the legal side of your business. Home bakers need to follow local food laws to ensure their products are safe to sell. In Australia, home bakers must register with their local council before selling. Some councils allow home kitchens, while others require a separate food prep area. You may need a food safety supervisor certificate, or at least complete a food handling course. Labels must include ingredient lists and allergen warnings like nuts, gluten, or dairy. Some places require public liability insurance, which protects you if a customer has a complaint or allergy issue. Since rules vary by location, check with your local health department before you start selling. Now that the legal side is covered, it's time to set up your business properly. Here's what you'll need: a business name and branding. Choose something memorable and check if the domain and social handles are available. A business bank account. Keeping personal and business money separate makes bookkeeping easier. A simple order tracking system. Whether it's a spreadsheet, Shopify, or a form, make sure you can keep track of orders. Essential baking equipment. Invest in quality tools like mixing bowls, rolling pins, piping bags, and a reliable oven. Setting up these basics now will save you a lot of stress later. You need to refine your recipes before selling. Every batch should be consistent, from taste to texture. Test recipes multiple times to get them right. Consider using scales instead of measuring cups for accuracy. Get feedback from friends, family, or test customers before launching. Packaging is also important. Make sure it's food safe, attractive, and functional. Your customers should get their baked goods fresh and in perfect condition. A strong brand helps you stand out. Even if you're starting small, having a consistent look and feel will make your business more professional. Take high-quality photos of your baked goods. Natural light works best. Set up Instagram and Facebook pages to showcase your products. Engage with potential customers by posting behind-the-scenes content, baking tips, and customer reviews. Your brand is how people recognize and remember you, so make it count. Now it's time to start selling. Decide how you'll take orders. Through Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, or a simple online order form. Set up easy payment options like bank transfers, PayPal, or Afterpay. If delivering, make sure your packaging protects the product during transport. Having a smooth ordering process will keep your customers happy and coming back. Once your business is running smoothly, think about growth. Can you sell wholesale to cafes or stores? Would you like to sell at markets to get more exposure? Could you offer seasonal or custom orders to increase sales? Some home bakers even branch into passive income, like selling recipe ebooks, online classes, or printable baking templates. The possibilities are endless. Starting a home baking business takes planning, but with the right setup, it can be an amazing way to turn your passion into a business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more baking business tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments.